perimeter and area. Let's learn all about it. So what is perimeter? To work out the perimeter of a shape, we need to add the distance up around the outside of the shape. So you need to pretend like you might be walking around the outside of this object. To work out the area of a shape, we normally need to multiply, but be careful, different shapes require different mathematical equations. Sometimes we need to multiply, sometimes we need to divide, sometimes we need to do both. The area of a square, we need to multiply the length and the width. Picture yourself going inside the shape or inside the area to work it out. Let's recap. The perimeter, pretend you're walking around the area of the pool to work out the distance. Area, we need to be looking at inside the pool where the water is and how much area is inside the pool. Let's look at some different shapes now. The perimeter and area might change depending on what shape we are trying to work out. Let's have a look at a square. The perimeter of a square is the outside of the shape, so that's easy. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16 metres. The area, we times the length and the width together, so we're timesing 4 by 4, which equals 16 metres squared. Remember to put the little 2 after your units because that represents the squared number. A rectangle. The perimeter is you're walking around the outside of the shape. We've got 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 equals 24 metres. The area is the same. We are timesing the length by the width. We're timesing 8 by 4 to work out the inside of the shape, which is the area. 8 times 4 is 32 metres squared. Let's look at the right angled triangle. The perimeter is again the same, the outside values. We've got 4 plus 5 plus 3 equals 12 metres. But to work out the area of a right angled triangle, we need to times the base and height together, get that answer, and then divide it by 2. So we have 3 times 4 divided by 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6 metres squared. That is our area. Let's look at the next shape, the trapezoid. This is the perimeter. We're just adding all the sides up again. 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5 equals 24 metres. The area is slightly different. We need to add base 1 plus base 2 together. Then we're going to times it by the height. Once you get that answer, we are then going to divide it by 2. So in this instance, we have base 1, 6 plus 8. Get that answer. Then we're going to times it by the height, which is 5. Once we have that top answer, we are then going to divide it by 2. Finally, we have the circle. Now, to work out the area of a circle, we need to know the radius, and the radius is this part way between the midline and the outside of the circle area. We are going to do area equals pi r squared. For the circumference, we need to do 2 pi r. In this instance, it's really reflecting the diameter as well. So have a look at the pictures. To work out the area of these shapes and the circumference, you really need to have a computer or a calculator to help you work out and calculate your pi value. Good luck! Happy learning! Follow on Instagram and YouTube.